Hello everybody, how you feeling? Welcome to creatingwebsite.org, where our mission is to teach you how to create a website. Today I want to let you see me update my web page. I'm going to do it behind the scenes, so it might be a little lengthy video, but I believe it may help you out in taking your website to another level. I'm going to update my image slider right here. And like I said, it's behind the scenes, so it's not planned out. If you want to watch the video, great. But we like helping you take your website to another level. So what I'm going to do is this image slider right here I have on domainpricecheap.com. I'm going to be updating that. What I'm going to do is this .com, .org, .me, .co, I'm going to make it slide across like that. It's going to slide across the front. So let's see if we can work it. First thing we need to do is go create our files in Photoshop. So let's do .com $9.99. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create our PNG files. PNG are files that you could see that's with transparent background. So we're going to go ahead and let's save this as .com. Let me see, save, and we'll call this .com. Boom. Then we're going to do .org, which I think is $8.99. Let me double check. .org. Let's see how much it. .org $9.99. Okay. So the .com is $8.99. So we got to change that. So $9.99. Okay. And we're going to hit OK. And we're going to hit Save As, and we'll put org. And then we need to go open up the .com and change that to $8.99. Okay, and then we'll save that. Okay, and then what else do we have? We have .me, which is $7.99. So let's go ahead and fix that. So we'll do .me $7.99. Okay. And let's save that. Oh man, let's do this. Save as, and put me. Then I gotta undo this and save this .com. I erased it. Okay, and then the last one we have is .co, which is $9.99. .co $9.99. So we're gonna go save as, and we're gonna call this co. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to create the PNG file. So we're going to go here, create PNG, save. Okay. So we go to images. That's going to be our .co. Then we're going to open our .me, and we're going to save that for a web file. And then we're going to open the .com, save that. Make it PNG. That way it's transparent. Excuse me. And then I think the last one that we have is the .org. So let's make that PNG. Okay, now we have our files. Now remember, our goal is to get them to slide across here. We're going to make them slide across this blank space right here, and we're going to get rid of this writing there. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to go to my dashboard, domainpricecheap.com dashboard, and I'm going to go to Meta Slider. Okay, and this is my active slide here. So this is my first slide that comes when you go to the web page, as you can see it here. Let me show it to you on the actual web page. If you don't have Meta Slider Pro, I would encourage you to get it. It's awesome. So there's our slider. Okay, and here's the slider we're working on in the dashboard. So let's get rid of all these things. We're going to get rid of these. Okay. Get rid of these things here. Okay. Let me make it so I can see. So I can get rid of these here. All right. So what I'm doing now is I'm getting rid of the boxes, but I can't see the delete box arrow because it's white. So it's blending in with the background. So there's the delete. Okay. So I had to make it dark so I can see it. All right. So we want to get our images to slide across. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save our changes, and I'm going to add an image. So I want to go here, insert image. Oops, sorry about that. Let me do the layer first. Like I said, this is behind the scenes. So we're going to do the layer. Then we're going to add the image. So I got to go upload I got to go find our images that we just made, which are here. And we got, let's see, .com. I don't see them. Like I said, this is behind the scenes. So let's see what's happening here. Okay, they're not showing up. So let me see here. Hold on one second. Okay, for some reason it's telling me that my OneDrive is full, so it's not saving my files. So I'm going to go ahead and save them to my C drive for the sake of the tutorial. Let's go ahead and go here, C drive, and I'll put them, let me make a new folder, images, oops, misspelled it, images, and we're going to call this .org, and then we're going to open .com, save that one. So .com, then we got .co, save that one, and then we got .me, and we'll save that one. Okay, so now, wait, do I have everything? Let's see, .co, .org, .com, .me is what we need. Let's see here. Save it as .me, or just me, just put me. Okay, so now our files are saved. Little mission there. So now we're going to go and upload our files. So let me retrack. Okay, so here is our file, our slider. Let me go back. Okay, went to MetaSlider Pro, right? And then we're going to where our active slide is. This is our slideshow right here that we got going on. And the slide that we want to change, this is our slideshow. Here's the slide we want to change. Now it's empty. Before it had .org and stuff there. Okay, so we're going to go to that slider, which is here. You go to the slideshow where that slider is at. You're going to launch it. Oops. We're going to launch layer editor. So here we go. All right, so now we're going to put a new layer and we're going to put some images in there. So we're going to upload some images and we're going to go to our C drive where we just saved our files. And we're going to go to images and we're going to put all these files there. Okay. So we're going to upload those. And now remember, the goal is to get them to slide across .com, .org, .me, and .co. Okay. So let's see if our images are doing. Okay, let's go ahead and use this one for now. Boom. So there it is. Okay, let's get rid of the here. Let's get rid of layer. Okay, so there's your image. That's what we want right there. Okay, so then we want to make a slide across right here. Let's make the background transparent. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put an animation on it. After 0.5 seconds, we want it to slide in from the right. Let's see. Let's see. Or we could do a fade in. Whatever you like. It's up to you. Let me see what else we got here. Bounce in from the right. That might be pretty cool. Roll in. Light speed in. I don't see slide in from the right, so unless I'm missing it. Fade in. Bounce in. Bounce in right. Light speed in. Let's try light speed in. Let's do that one. Okay. And then after a full second, we want it to go out. So let's see. Fade out right. Okay. So that's after you got 0.5 seconds. It's going to come in 1 second. Boom, it's going to go out. So now what we want to do is we want to add another one. Layer. New layer. And you're going to put your image. Oops. And we're going to go grab .org. Let's grab that one. Okay. Make this one about the same size. And now remember, this one's going to fade out, so it won't be on top of each other. That's why you got to fade it out. Okay. So let's put it, let's see, right there. Okay, so then you got .org. Now it has to be after 1 second because your other one doesn't leave till 1 second. So let's put 1.5 seconds, and we want this one to light speed in also. Let's do all light speed. And then want this one to fade out at 2 seconds. So we're gonna fade out right. Boom. Okay, hit save. Now go get your next image and we'll do .me. Okay, and we want this one selected first. Okay, .me. And instead of 1.5, let's do 2.5 because the other one doesn't fade out till 2 seconds. And then 3 seconds, want to fade that one out. Okay, so you got dot. Oh, wait, I messed up. I just went over our new slide. Okay, so let me start over. Like I said, it's behind the scenes. What I did is I just went over the old file. I put them both together. So let's start over. Okay, welcome to behind the scenes. So let me grab this one. I think I'm just going to start all over. Let's just start all over. Okay, we messed up. All right. So new layer. Let me make this dark so I can see the delete thing. Sorry about that. But like I said, it's going to be a long video. It's behind the scenes. And it's just on the fly. Okay, so let's start over. New layer. Take out the new layer writing. And let's go get, we're going to start with .com. Okay, boom. 899.com. And we're going to put that one here. Okay. Want the background to be transparent. So boom. Okay. After 0.5 seconds, we light speed it in. After 1 second, it's gonna fade out right. Boom. Now I'm gonna save it. Let's get another layer. Delete the typing because we don't need that. We got another picture. Let's do .org. Boom. Make that one big. Slide it over so it's about the same area so it looks plush. Okay. We're going to select this one and we're going to do 2 seconds because the other one doesn't fade out to 1.5 or 1 second. So we're going to do 1.5 seconds. Okay, because the other one fades out at 1 second. So let's put light speed in, and we're going to fade this one out at 2 seconds or 2.1, whatever, and fade out right. Okay, let's save it. Let's go get our .me. Make sure you always create new layers. If not, then you run into the challenge that I did earlier. Okay, so .me, grab that one. Let's resize that. Bring it over. Okay, make sure it's selected. And then let's do 2.5 seconds. It's going to fade in, light speed in, and then at 3 seconds, it's going to fade out right. Okay, and then you got your last one. So remember, this one fades out at 3 seconds. So let's go get our last one. And that is .co. Okay, so let me get that. I forgot to make the backgrounds transparent, which I'll do right now. So, oops, let's go ahead and delete this for now. Okay, make this transparent. Boom. And it looks like I forgot to do another one. So let me grab this one. Grab this one. That one forgot to do transparent. So let's slide it over. Boom. All right. So this one fades out at 1 second. This is going to fade in at 1.5 and go out at 2 seconds. Let's put that one there. This one's going to come in at 2.5 and it's going to fade out at 3 seconds. Okay, let's get our last one, which is .co. We'll grab that. And let's resize it. Put it over here. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Boom. There we go. And let's make the background transparent. Let's fade it in at 3.5 seconds. And we want to do light speed in. And let's fade it out at 4.5 seconds. Let's give it a little bit more time since it's the last one. So we do fade out right. Hit save. Hit close. Then you want to hit save over here. Now let's go test it on our website. We're going to refresh our web page. Let's see what happens. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we got to work on our timing. Let's see. See, the first one's good. Second one's good. The third one doesn't fade out. And okay, so let's go back. So we got to work on the second one. So let's move this one, move that one, and let's see. So this one's good. So that fades out at 1 second. So let's grab .org. It's kind of hard when your background is not it's transparent because you can't see the white on white. So let's just change it for now. Okay, let's see here. Oh, well, let me grab it. Okay, so let me change this one so I can see how to move that one. And let's move this because it's on top of it, so it wouldn't let me grab it. Okay, boom. So now our challenge is, that's not our second one, though. We need to get the second one, which I think is this one. Nope, that one comes in at 3.5 also. So that's 2.5. What's this one? 2.5. Okay, 1.5. So let's grab this one. Oh, same challenge. So let's just make the background so we can see it, so we can work with it. Boom. Okay, so here's our second one. It's not fading out quick enough. Let me look at it again real quick. Okay, first one's good. That's good. So it's not leaving fast enough. So let's fade out right after. Okay, now let's leave that. We'll keep that, but let's bring this one in a little bit later. I think it's this one. Let's bring it in after 3 seconds. And then we'll fade it out after 4 seconds. So we'll just do even seconds, okay? Fade this one in after 4.5 seconds. And fade it out at 5.5. Maybe that's the challenge. Maybe that'll be our solution. Okay, so we got boom, 3 seconds. Let's go to 2.5. And then the first one is good. The first one's good. All right, let's try these settings before I change the background images. Let's just see how it looks. Before I go back to transparent, might have to do some more editing. Let's go ahead and hit save. Let's go ahead and refresh. See how it looks. Boom. Good. Good. Still not disappearing fast enough. Okay. So we got to look at the second one. It's not disappearing fast enough. So let's see. Animation comes in at 1.5. Let's take it out at 2 seconds. See what happens. Let's hit save. Let's go ahead and hit refresh. Let's see what happens. Good. Good. It's taking a little longer. I don't know why it's taking so long. Let's see. Let me see. What could be the challenge here? That one's fading out. 0.5. Okay, let's try this. Let's go 1 second. Let's try that. Hit refresh. See what we get. Good. Good. It just wants to hang around. Let's see. Let's try 1.5. Fade out. Maybe because it's fading. What is this other one doing? Let's see what this one's doing. That one's fading too. So I don't know. Let me try it. Like I said, it's behind the scenes. Hopefully this tutorial is helping you out. You might run into the same challenges. Boom. Boom. There we go. Okay, now we're getting there. Okay, so let's move this one up to make sure it's not there when it's fading. Let's hit refresh. Boom, 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 me. Okay, so let's move the .me up. Move that up. And now we're going to have to fade this one out a lot sooner. Okay, now let's see. So we got boom, boom, boom. See, now the .me is still going to be in the way, so let's fade that one out. Let's see. Oh, I see. Let's see. Let's try something here. Let's do 2.5. Hit save. Let's try. Okay. Boom. .com, .org, .me. Think we got something. Okay. So let's go back to 3.5. Let's take this to 4 seconds. Let's hit save. Let's hit refresh. Let's work it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's try it out. Start all over. Make sure we got it good, and then this tutorial will be done. Okay, so we got .com animation at 0.5 seconds, then wait 1 second, it fades out. Then we're going to go to our .org. I'm going to wait 1 second. Let's wait 1.5 seconds and fade out at 2. Let's see the first 2 so far. Let's see how they work. Okay, .com. .org. Okay. Let me try something here. I'm experimenting. So, okay. .com, .org, .co. Okay, so that's working. So let's go ahead and make this transparent. Bring that up. I think I'm learning something here. Let me try something. Let me try something. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. .com. Oh yeah, no, that's right. Okay, I thought I was doing something wrong. Okay, so boom. So the .org is 1.5. Phase out at 1.5. So let's bring this one in at 2 seconds, and then we'll fade it out at 2 seconds. I think I'm learning something here. I think the fade takes a little time when you put the fade. So let's put it at the same time. That way, by the time the fade catches, it's already gone. Boom. .com. .org. Ooh, that one went too quick. So let's wait a little bit on this one. Wait about 3 seconds, and we'll fade it at 3 seconds. Okay. Let's hit refresh. .com. .org. .co. Where's our last one? Where's it at? He didn't come out. Oh, maybe he came. Okay. So boom, we got 3 seconds. So let's do this one at 4 seconds. Let's just keep it simple. Do them all seconds of 1 second apart. Boom, and just do this one 1 second. Boom. All right. So I think we're all learning something here. Let's just keep it simple and do even numbers. Okay. Note to self. Boom. Boom. So even numbers. So let's do 1 and 1. And that fades light speed in, fade out right. Save it. Go to the next one. Bring it here. 1 point. Let's do 2 seconds and 2 seconds. Just keep it simple. Save it. Go to the next one. Let's do 3 seconds and 3 seconds. Go to the next one. Well, I see. This is the wrong one. So let's do this one 3 seconds because this one comes in before the .co. And 3 seconds. And then your .co is your last one. So boom, put that there. Let's do 4 seconds. Because you want to go in order from bottom to top. Okay? Lesson learned. Keep it simple. Hit save. Boom. Now let's see how this thing works. Refresh the page. Boom. .com, .org, .me, but they're not fading like they should be. So we got a mission here, man. Let's figure this thing out. That's gonna look nice though once it's done. It'll look really nice. Okay, so let's see what the challenge is here. Okay, the .com is good. That's good. Just the .org is not fading fast enough. So instead of fading it, why don't we just bounce out right? Let's try that. Maybe the fade is taking too long. Okay, let's try that. So we got .com, .org. Still taking long. Okay, we're gonna have to just wait. Let's put this. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's just keep the fade. We're gonna keep the. Oh, maybe light speed out. Let's try that. Let's try light speed out. Okay, so that's good. That's good. Kind of just wants to chill there though. Let's go lower. I don't know if that's gonna solve anything. Let's see. Okay, boom, boom. Okay, I see. I see. I see. I see. I see. So this is what it waits before it comes in right here. This is the transition of how long you want it to be there. So 2 seconds is going to come in, then after 1 second it leaves. See, that's okay. It makes sense. So I got this one. Let me show you. I see what's happening. So this one comes in at 1 second and it only waits 1 second. So then we're going to have to do this one come in at 2 seconds and wait 1 second. That's what's happening. But I'm putting the wait and the leave the same amount. So it's coming in at 2 seconds and it's waiting 2 seconds to leave. But you want it to come in at 2 seconds and wait 1 second to leave. I hope that makes sense. If you tuned in, you stayed this long to the video, we got the answer. So we're going to put 1 second here. So everything's going to leave at 1 second. Let me try it. And then we go here, come in at 3, leave at 1 second. Okay. Then this is going to come in at 4 and leave at 1 second. I think we got it. I think we got it, church. Come on, somebody. All right, let's try that. I think that's the answer. I think I just learned something too. Okay, boom, come in, leave at 1 second. Boom, leave at 1 second. Boom, leave. Hey, we got it. Come on, put them hands together. Yes. All right, I like it. I like it. All right, so let's save this thing. Let's refresh it to make sure it looks real nice. Boom, you go to the web page. .com $8.99, .org $9.99, .me $7.90, .co $9.99. Love it, and then it goes to the next slide. I'm loving it. All right, let's go ahead and save it. Good stuff. Thanks for tuning in. Let me show you one more time how when you go to domainpricecheap.com, how it's going to look. Boom. .com, .org, .me, .co. Like it a lot. I like it. And then we go to our next slide. We even still got a little bit more time. We could make it a little bit delayed so that when it finishes, it goes to the next slide. But you get the point. Thanks for tuning in. I don't want to keep you too much longer. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos. This is your boy coming from you, creatingwebsite.org in the house. Just to let you know, it's your boy again. I went in and fixed it up. So what I did, just to show you in case you want to use it, I just added a few more seconds to these coming in, and now it fits perfect, okay? So you got 1 second, then I added a 0.5 to the .org, okay? So instead of 2, I added 2.5, and then this one is 3.5, so it gave me a full second, you know, and a half, and then 4.5. So now it's real plush. Let me just show you real quick. I had to show it to you. Hit refresh. Watch how clean this slideshow is. Look at this. Boom. .com, .org, .me, .co, bam, goes to the next slide. Thanks for tuning in. It's your boy coming at you from creatingwebsite.org.